Hello everyone, and welcome to today's presentation. I'm excited to have you here. Today, we'll explore how to transform raw data into actionable intelligence that can really drive service excellence and help our organization succeed. The main focus will be on unlocking insights with ServiceNow reports. Over the next few slides, we'll cover key concepts, tools, and best practices to make data work for us. Let's get started. Now, let's talk about why reporting truly matters in ServiceNow. At its core, it's about enabling informed decision-making and fostering continuous service improvement. When we leverage data-driven insights, we can make smarter choices that benefit the entire organization. Think of it as having a clear view of what's happening in real time. By monitoring incidents, changes, SLAs, and service requests as they occur, we can respond immediately and effectively. This real-time tracking ensures we're always on top of issues and can act swiftly to keep things running smoothly. Additionally, converting raw data into actionable insights is crucial. Whether it's ITSM, HR, security operations, or other business functions, transforming data helps us understand trends, identify bottlenecks, and make proactive improvements. So, in essence, good reporting isn't just about numbers. It's about turning information into power, guiding our decisions, and continuously elevating our service quality. With this solution, you can start visualizing key metrics and gaining valuable insights immediately, without any need for customization. It's designed for quick deployment so you can focus on what matters most. When we look at knowledge management, for example, you get clear data on article usage and how effective those articles are at solving issues. For request management, you can track fulfillment metrics and see how well your service catalog is performing. Change management insights include success rates and detailed implementation tracking, helping you understand what's working and where improvements are needed. In problem management, root cause analysis and recurring issues are highlighted, enabling proactive problem resolution. For incident management, you can monitor open tickets, track SLA breaches, and analyze resolution trends to improve response times. And the best part? ServiceNow offers ready-to-use reports and dashboards right out of the box. These are designed to deliver immediate value across all modules, providing you with quick, actionable insights. This quick start approach ensures you're up and running fast, making data-driven decisions without delay. It's all about empowering you to get the most out of your service management right from the start. Now, let's take a look at how we can combine multiple reports for a more holistic operational overview. This is where the dashboard view comes into play. Think of it as your central hub, giving you a comprehensive snapshot of various data points all in one place. From here, you can transform these insights into different formats, charts, tables, or pivot reports, depending on what kind of analysis you're aiming for. Visual summaries are really powerful because they allow you to quickly grasp trends or issues. For example, you might want to see all incidents that occurred in a specific month, and you can expand your view to filter that list accordingly. Starting with a single record, like an individual incident ticket, helps you dive deep into specific details when needed. This is what we call the single record view. All of these elements come together in understanding the anatomy of a ServiceNow report. It's about combining high-level overviews with the ability to drill down into specifics, giving you the tools to analyze your operations thoroughly and make informed decisions. Now that you've created your report, the next step is to share it effectively. You can distribute it directly with stakeholders, add it to your dashboards for easy access, or even schedule automated deliveries to keep everyone up to date without manual effort. The goal is to make your insights accessible and actionable. Moving on, let's talk about customizing your visualization. It's important to adjust colors, labels, axes, and the overall layout to ensure that your data is clear and professional. Proper customization helps your audience interpret the information easily and makes your presentation more impactful. Remember, refining your data is a crucial step. You can prioritize your data by applying filters based on assignment groups, status, date ranges, or even custom conditions. This way, you focus on what's most relevant, making your analysis more precise and meaningful. When choosing how to visualize your data, you have a variety of options. Think about whether a bar chart, pie chart, list, heat map, or time series best represents the story you're trying to tell. Selecting the right visualization type can make complex data much more understandable. Finally, selecting the appropriate report type is essential. Whether you're working with incidents, changes, requests, assets, or other data sources, picking the right table ensures you're capturing the information that matters most for your reporting needs. All of these steps come together to help you create effective, insightful reports that truly support informed decision-making. Let's explore how we can make data exploration more dynamic and user-friendly. With real-time filtering, you can adjust your dashboards on the fly by selecting specific time periods, teams, priorities, or even custom parameters. This means you get immediate insights tailored to your needs, making your analysis much more agile. Moving on, creating and reusing standardized report templates helps ensure consistency across teams. It also helps maintain our brand guidelines, so every report looks professional and uniform, saving time and effort in the process. Another powerful feature is scheduled reports. You can automate the delivery of these reports via email as PDFs or exports, which guarantees that stakeholders stay informed with timely updates. No manual follow-up needed. And finally, interactive drill downs allow you to click on any chart element to explore the underlying records. This feature is invaluable for root cause analysis, as it lets you dive into detailed information quickly and intuitively. All these features together enhance our reporting capabilities, making data more accessible, consistent, and actionable across the organization. Now, let's take a closer look at the ITSM Manager dashboard. This is a powerful tool that brings together key performance indicators like SLA compliance tracking, incident trend analysis, change success rates, and team performance metrics, all in one easy-to-view interface. The idea here is to give you a comprehensive snapshot of your service management activities at a glance. What's really valuable is how the dashboard can be tailored to different user groups. For example, executives can focus on strategic KPIs that help guide high-level decisions, while operational teams can concentrate on metrics that drive day-to-day improvements. This role-based access ensures everyone sees what's most relevant to their responsibilities. Building on that, these dashboards aggregate multiple reports into a single, unified view. Instead of navigating through various tools or reports, you get a complete, actionable picture of your services in one place. It's about creating a seamless, integrated experience that helps you understand the full story of your service performance and identify where to focus your efforts next. Now, let's discuss some best practices for ServiceNow reporting. First, it's essential to continuously evaluate and refine your reports. As your business evolves, so should your reports, to reflect new needs, organizational changes, and additional service offerings. Regular review and updates help ensure your reports stay relevant and useful. Next, focus on maintaining consistent naming conventions and thorough documentation. Using clear, descriptive names makes it much easier for teams to find and understand reports, facilitating knowledge transfer and collaboration across departments. Another key point is to concentrate your reports on KPIs that truly impact your business outcomes. Avoid information overload by limiting metrics to those that matter most. This way, your team can make more informed decisions without getting distracted by extraneous data. Finally, when starting out, leverage ServiceNow's out-of-the-box reports and dashboards. They're designed to work seamlessly during platform upgrades and require less maintenance compared to heavily customized solutions. This approach helps you save time and reduce potential issues down the line. By following these best practices, you can ensure your reporting remains effective, manageable, and aligned with your overall service management goals. Transform your service delivery by harnessing the power of reporting that turns raw data into a real competitive advantage. When you have the right insights, you can drive operational excellence and stay ahead in the game. Data-driven insights aren't just about understanding what's happening now. they enable continuous optimization, helping you improve services and boost customer satisfaction over time. Let's look at some key areas. First, process improvement, with data showing that organizations can improve efficiency by around 40% by analyzing their workflows and identifying bottlenecks. This proactive approach helps streamline operations and make smarter decisions. Next, proactive monitoring plays a crucial role. By constantly keeping an eye on systems and performance, you can prevent costly breaches and ensure you meet service-level agreements. In fact, organizations that do this see about a 95% SLA compliance rate, which is a significant achievement. And then there's faster resolution of issues. Real-time reporting and trend analysis help teams reduce incident resolution times by roughly 30%. This means fewer disruptions for your customers and a more reliable service overall. Ultimately, all these improvements, process optimization, SLA compliance, faster resolutions, contribute to driving service excellence. When you leverage these insights effectively, you're not just fixing problems faster, you're building a foundation for a more resilient, customer-focused service operation. Now, let's talk about how we can empower your teams with the right data-driven intelligence. The goal here is to enable smarter and faster decisions, which is essential in today's fast-paced environment. By providing your stakeholders with meaningful insights, you're giving them the tools to make informed choices quickly and confidently. Next, I want to highlight the importance of developing skills within your teams. Building the ability to create custom reports is a game changer, because it allows you to uncover hidden insights that are specific to your organization's needs. This not only boosts your team's analytical capabilities, but also ensures that the data you're acting on is directly relevant. Moving on, mastering report creation is a key step. ServiceNow offers a comprehensive library of pre-configured reports and dashboards that cover all modules. This resource can save your team time and effort, while also providing a solid starting point for your reporting journey. And that leads us to the most important point, starting today. There's no better time than now to begin exploring these tools and capabilities. By taking the first step, you're setting your organization on a path toward more insightful, data-driven decision-making that can truly transform your operations.